There's one up there. Hello. I see him. Yes! Hey! Come over here. Stand over here. Hello, mate. The tree and stand really quiet and show them.
Pretty cool, eh? Smile, Michaela.
Oh, Dad, I was putting out my hand. Is it a photo or a video?
It's a video, but I'm going to take a screenshot.
Screenshot. You know, you can just press the white.
The white button for photo.
white button,
That's
yeah.
right, I forgot.
No, tomorrow. Let's not pass it back again.
Another one.
I don't want to go. Did you take one? Come on, Mum.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is pretty cool. Just a quick movement, Sienna.
You're right.
Oh, you hurt your
Chi-Chi, do you want to
Just a
take
quick
this one?
movement, scare them off. No, it won't hurt you.
Bring it down to her.
Only scratching, not hurting. If you're really still, they'll be calmer and they won't run away.
It's okay. It won't hurt you.